Hi everyone, Dave here from KCOM Academy. Now we often say that administrators are the backbone of every organization. But the truth is they are often overlooked. And yet they are the ones who keep the day-to-day operations running smoothly. And that is why we are bringing you the Essential Skills for Administrative Assistance program from the 10th to the 11th of November at the Radisson Hotel, Brunei. Now over these 2 days, we'll focus on giving admins and executive assistants the practical tools they need to thrive. They're going to learn how to build professional presence and how to communicate with confidence. They'll also learn how to manage their time, tasks, and stress effectively. Among the other things that they would learn is how to handle conflicts when it happens and how to handle challenging situations with poise. Studies shows that teams with strong administrative support are 20% more productive. When admins are equipped with the right skills, managers and organizations perform better too. And here's a little teaser. During this program, participants will take part in a role play exercise on how to say no without creating conflict. It's both practical and engaging, and something that admins tell us they can use the very next day at work. So if you want your admin team to be confident and proactive partners who contribute to your success, I would love to see you join us this November.